Master Sujata, Master Sujata Netram Verma from Colaba Municipal Secondary School welcomes you in state level lecture of geometry. So here we are studying the basic portion of geometry. Yesterday we completed the introduction to trigonometry function. If you have any doubts or query related to yesterday topic, you may ask after the lecture. Okay, and today we are discussing the topic that is the coordinate geometry. So this topic is very important in your 10th standard. This chapter carry 6 to 7 marks in your board examination. So first we discuss the introduction, how we find the coordinates, how we draw the coordinates on the graph paper. All this thing we discuss in today's lecture. So let's start introduction to coordinate geometry. Okay, so coordinate geometry. For this we require the graph paper, pencil, rubber. So this chapter is very simple and easy. So first we see what is meant by coordinate geometry. A system of geometry where the position of point on the plane is described using an ordered pair of number. Okay, so it defined as a system of geometry, like in such a way that we arrange the uh, points or any on a plane in such a way that they look like in a order pair. Okay, so in the figure there are few books and they are arranged in a proper way. So we define the coordinate geometry as system of geometry where the position of point on the plane is described using an ordered pair of number. So here the founder of coordinate geometry, the founder of coordinate geometry is the French mathematician René Descartes. So he was the founder of coordinate geometry. Now see, coordinate plane means what is meant by coordinate plane. So everyone, I think everyone is familiar with the graph paper. Graph paper sabne dekha hoga. See in the figure, we see we plot a plane. Okay, so it has two scale, one running across the plane called x-axis and another at the right angle to it called the y-axis. See in the figure, we have two planes, two scale. One is the x-axis and another is the y-axis. Okay, so one by one we see and we learn which one is x coordinate and which one is the y coordinate. And the point where the axis cross, the point where two axes cross, that point is called as the origin. Okay, so where both x and y are 0. See in the figure, this mark, red mark, this one is the origin. This axis is x-axis and this y-axis is y-axis. So in coordinate plane, we have two scale, one running across the plane, that is the x-axis, and the second one is right angle to it, that is the y-axis. And the point where two axes meet each other, that point is called as the origin. Okay, now next. So see on the see this one is origin. On the x-axis, the value to the right are positive, those to the left are negative. Remember this thing. See, this one is the origin. When we move towards, horizontal line is called as x-axis and vertical line is called as a y-axis. So when we move right to the origin, that points are positive. And when we move left to the origin on x-axis, that points are always negative. Remember this thing, I explain again. When we move towards the right side of the x-axis, all points are positive and left side points are negative. And on y-axis, the value above the origin are positive, and the value those below are negative. Okay, so in this way we see which points are positive and which points are negative. So on a coordinate plane, this is called as a coordinate plane, and two axes meet each other, that is called as origin. origin के right side में on x axis, on origin के right side में we get positive value, origin के left side में we get negative value. Okay, and above positive value, below negative value. Okay, so see, next slide we see abscissa. Abscissa means what? Abscissa is the x coordinate of the point on the coordinate plane, the distance along the horizontal axis. I explained in previous slide that the horizontal axis is called as a x-axis. Okay, so जो x-axis रहता है, x coordinate. See, this one is called as a coordinate. Wait a minute. X comma y. Okay, so this one is x coordinate and this one is y coordinate. So x coordinate is called as a abscissa. X coordinate is called as a abscissa. For example, you have point 2 comma 3. So which one is the abscissa of this point? 2 is the abscissa. Means always the x coordinate of the point is called as the abscissa. Okay, so abscissa is the x coordinate of a point on the coordinate plane. So x is called as the abscissa and y is called as the ordinate. Not coordinate, ordinate. Okay, so in the point and the y coordinate, okay, in the coordinate plane, the y coordinate is called as the coordinate. Okay, so see figure, see in the example 2 comma 3. So 2 is the x coordinate and 3 is the y coordinate. So x coordinate is called as abscissa. So abscissa value is 2 and y is called as the ordinate. So ordinate is 3. Okay, clear? Again, -3 -1. So see, which one is the abscissa? -3 is the abscissa and -1 is the ordinate. So in this way, we write the ordinates and the abscissa. Okay. So see, when we plot two planes, when we draw two axes, horizontal and vertical, then we get 4 coordinate here. This one is the first coordinate. Okay, this one is the second coordinate, third coordinate and fourth coordinate. Okay, so see student, in first coordinate, this x value is positive and y value is positive. Means when we write x comma y, both values are positive. So we get plus plus. Clear? We get plus plus. Means all the coordinates in first quadrant are always positive. Okay. When we move on second quadrant, x values are negative, y values are positive. So we write here minus x comma plus. Okay. So in coordinate, we write first x value, then y point. Okay. So here x points are negative and y points are positive. So we write in second quadrant minus x comma plus. Minus comma plus. Okay. Similarly, in third quadrant, x values are positive and y values are also, x values are negative and y values are also negative. So in third coordinate, both x and y points are negative. Okay. And in fourth quadrant, x values are positive while y values are negative. So we write here plus minus. Clear? Again, see, there are 4 quadrats. First quadrant, all positive. Second quadrant, negative positive. Third quadrant, both negative. And in fourth quadrant, positive, negative. So in such way, we find if question is like that, -2, 3, this point lies in which quadrant? So see, minus and plus. So minus plus means this point lies on second quadrant, in second quadrant. Okay. So again, -4, -2 means both values are negative. Then we say that this point lies in third quadrant. So in this way, we write the answers of the following given questions. Okay. So see here again, we discuss all these things in briefly, definition. So grid, what is mean by grid? So a pattern of horizontal and vertical line, a pattern of horizontal and vertical lines usually forming square. See in the figure, pattern, it follow a pattern. So there are horizontal and vertical lines and they form a square. So that is called as a grid. Okay, see in the figure, a pattern of horizontal and vertical lines using for forming square, that is called as a grid. This one is called as a grid. Okay, see. So here coordinate grid. So coordinate grid means a grid used to locate a point by its distance from two intersecting straight lines. Okay, so see in the figure, wait a minute. Yes, see in the figure, here we have horizontal line and vertical line. So horizontal line, we have points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and vertical lines, we have points A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so here coordinate grid means a grid used to locate a point. See in the figure, here is the house. Okay, so we see that what are the coordinates for the house. So what are the coordinates? So on x-axis, it cover 4 distance, and y-axis, it cover b distance. That means we write 4, b. Okay, students, see here carefully. First we count what distance it covered from x-axis and what distance it covered from y-axis. So on x-axis, it covered 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that means this one is the 4 on x-axis, and on y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 4 indicates B. So we write here, yes, we write here 4 comma, wait a minute, let me check. 4 comma B. Okay, so the position or the location of the house on this is 4 comma B. So in this way, we find the coordinate grid. Okay. Now next, x-axis. So x-axis means a horizontal number line on coordinate grid. Okay. See, horizontal number line on the coordinate grid. In previous slide, we see the what is meant by coordinate grid. So this one, the horizontal line, this horizontal line, we indicated by red color. So horizontal number line on a coordinate grid is called as the x coordinate. Okay. So x is the shortest and likes to lie down horizontally. Okay. So x coordinate lies horizontally. Horizontally means we see in the second slide that when we draw two lines, okay, when we draw two planes and when the common point, that is the center, origin, and when we move towards the positive, then we get positive. When we move towards the right side, we get positive value. On left side, we get negative value. So x is the shortest distance, likes to lie down horizontally. Horizontal distance को हम लोग x axis कहते हैं. Now we discuss the y axis. So simple. Horizontal axis means horizontally, that is called as the x axis. Here vertically number lie on the coordinate grid is called as the y axis. This one is called as the y axis. Okay, so this is the coordinate grid. Horizontal is called as the x axis, while vertical line is called as number line is called as the y axis. Okay, so y is the tallest and stands upright or vertically. Okay, so y points are always tallest and stand upright or we can say vertically. So tallest y is always on the vertical way. Clear? Horizontally x-axis and vertically y-axis. Now next, what is mean by coordinates here? What is mean by coordinates? Okay, so see, An order pair of number that gives the location of a point on a grid. Okay, see, here we say that an order pair of number. Order pair here is the 3, 4. That gives the location of a point. This gives the location of a point on a grid. See, x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 4. Means this gives the location of this star. That means that is called as a coordinates. So here the coordinates are 3, 4. So it is orderly paired of number that gives the location of a point on a grid. Okay, students. So coordinate means ऑर्डरली पेयर नंबर रहते हैं जो हमें लोकेशन बताते हैं पॉइंट की ऑन द ग्रिड. ग्रिड टू टाइप्स की, एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस. मींस horizontally is called as x axis and vertically is called as a y axis. So this point covers 3 distance from x axis and 4 distance from y axis. That means it locate the position or the point on the grid. Okay. The first number is always the x or the first letter in the alphabet. Okay. See, in this point, the first, wait a minute, the first one, sorry. Yes, this one, first, the first one is 3. So in the coordinate, the first alphabet or first number is always x point. And the second number is always y point. Okay, it may be number or alphabet. So first in coordinates means 2, x, y. So first one is the x and second one is the y. Okay. How to plot ordered pair? हमें कैसे plot करना चाहिए ordered pair को? So here we see few steps here. How to plot ordered pair? Step number 1. Always find the x value first. Okay. If you have point, then always find the first value. See, for example, in given his point are 2, 3, that is the coordinate is 2, 3. You have to find first x value. So x value is 2. Okay. So always find the x value first, moving horizontally either right or left. Listen, student. If first you find the x value and then find either it may be positive or negative. If it is positive, then move towards the right. And if it is negative, move towards the left on the horizontal line. So in the given coordinate, 2 is positive, then we move right to the origin. So see, here we move, the value is 2. So here we move 1 and 2. We plot here 2. Okay, clear? First you find the x value. X value is 2. Then check it is positive or negative. So it is positive, then we move right side. If it is negative, then we move on left side. Okay, so first step is find x value and then its sign. Second step is starting from your new position, find the value, y value, by moving vertically either up or down. See, if you find x value, then find the y value. First step is find x value and its sign. Then second step is find y value and its sign. So here y value is 3. Then we find it is positive or negative. If it is positive, move upward of the origin. And if it is negative, then move downward of the origin. Okay. So here the y value is, yes, y value is 3. Yes. And it is positive. Then we move 3 steps up. Okay. 3 steps up. First step is find x value. So here we draw 2 here. And second is 3, then 1, 2, 3. So here is the point. Okay. So in this way, we plot a ordered pair on a grid. Again, we see how to find ordered pair. How to find? In another way, if point is given, then how you find the order, the coordinates. Okay, so see, okay, so find how far over horizontal point is counting to the right. So this point on the right side, so you have to find the on the right side. See, find, so point are 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so horizontally we get, yes, horizontally हमें कितने points मिल गए? 5 points. So its x coordinate is 5. Simple. Okay, very simple. First we find from origin how far over the horizontal line. So it is 1 2 3 4 and 5. So here we get 5. Clear? Now second step. Step 2. Now count how far vertically the point is by counting up or down. So it is up, then we count from this point. 1 1 2 3 4. Okay, so here we count 4 upward, then we get 5 here x value and 4 y value, so we get point, yes, we get 0.5 comma 4. Okay, so in this way we count the ordered pair. What is the ordered pair? What is ordered pair? 3 comma 5. So we get 3 comma 5. So here we draw, sorry, in this 3 comma 5 को अगर आपको plot करना है, so here we first draw 3, 1 2 3 and the y coordinate 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So here we get 3 comma 5. Second, what is the ordered pair? Yes, so this one is 2 comma 6. It's simple. Here we move 2 steps towards the right side of the horizontal line, that is positive 1 comma 2. Okay, and on y-axis we get 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So ordered pair is 2 comma 6. Okay, see, if we have a grid like this, and this one is 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, and the point is here, the point is here. Okay, so you have to find the ordered pair of this point. So you see, first it is 1 2 3 4, 4 step on a horizontal line and 2 steps on vertical line. So the ordered pair is 4 comma 2. So in this way you can find the ordered pair of any coordinate. Okay, clear? Here is 4. Okay, now remember this. This is very important. So what is the ordered pair? 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. So here the x value is 4 and y value is 0. Means we plot the coordinate 4 comma 0 on x-axis. Why we plot on x-axis? Because इसमें y value is 0, right? y value 0 है, इसलिए ये x axis पे हम इसको plot करेंगे. So see, x value कितनी हमारे पास में? 4. So we move 1 2 3 4. So here is the 4 comma 0. Vice versa, if we have value 0 comma 4, if, then here x value is 0 and y value is 4. So we plot this coordinate on y-axis. So we plot here 1 2 3 4. So our point is here, that is 0 comma 4. And if you plot here, so it is 4 comma 0. Clear? Means if anyone means x coordinate or y coordinate, in another language we say that abscissa or ordinate. If abscissa is 0, then we plot a point on y-axis. If ordinate is 0, then we plot a point on y-axis. Okay. Now second, what is the ordered pair? See, ordered pair. So here, one is here, one is here. It's simple. So we write here 1, 1. See, I explain. Yes, 0, 5. So x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 5. Okay, students. So x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 5. So we plot this point, the order paired on y-axis. Why we plot on y-axis? Because x coordinate is 0. So we move 5 point above the origin. Okay. So means vertically we move 5 points. Clear? So if see x coordinate is given and y coordinate is 0, then we plot the coordinate point on x-axis, and if x coordinate is 0 and y point is given, then we plot the point on y-axis. Now, second, how to plot in 4 quadrant? Here we see on x-axis or y-axis. So here, how to plot in 4 quadrant? 4 quadrant में कैसे plot कर सकते हैं? So when x is positive and y is negative, then plot the ordered pair in this manner. See, x value is positive and y value is negative. Earlier we discussed that there are 4 quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So in first quadrant, x and y are positive. In second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. In third quadrant, x is negative and y is also negative. In fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. So if your x value is positive and y value is negative, that means this point lies in fourth quadrant. So see in the question 2, -2. So first we move 2 on the horizontal line. Okay. And -2 means downward direction on the vertical line, that is 1, -2. So here we get a point that is 2, -2. Okay, students, 2 towards the horizontal line, right side, and 2 towards the vertical line on the downward direction. So we get 2, -2. Clear? If you have point 4, -2, 3. Okay, so -2. See, -2. We take -2 here. This one is -1, -2. Okay, and -2, and then 3. So 3 is positive. So we move upward. So we get -2, 3. So this point lies in second quadrant. Okay. And if we take another example, -1, -2, both values are negative. So we move -1 here, then -2. -2 means downward. This one is -2. So here is the point -1, -2. So in this way, you plot the coordinate. So how to plot in 4 coordinate? When x is positive, negative. See, when x is negative and y is positive, the ordered pair is in this manner. Okay, students. So when x is negative and y is positive, so we plot the ordered pair in this manner. So first we move on left side, that is -2 here, and 2 upward direction. Okay, so we get -2, 2. If you have point, again we take another example. If you have point 0, -4. Simple. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is -4. Means this point lies on y-axis. It's clear. If you have point -3, 0, means here y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0 means this point lies on x-axis. But But here -4. So -4 means we move downward. -1, -2, -3. Here we draw one line, -4. So here is the point 0, -4. Clear? And here is the -3, 0. So we move here -1, -2, -3. So this point is -3, 0. Okay. So if your points are positive, then it lies in first quadrant. Negative, positive, second quadrant. Negative, third quadrant. And positive, fourth quadrant. So if the ordered pair is given, then easily you plot the points on the grid. Okay. So that is the general arrangement of coordinates on the axis. Okay. So I hope this is clear. So here few questions are there. We solve one by one. First question. How many quadrats are there? So it's very simple question. How many quadrats are there? So we see how many quadrats are there. So there are 4 quadrats. First, second, third, and fourth. Again, we revise. In first quadrant, all x and y values are positive. In second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. In third quadrant, x and y both are negative. In fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. So the answer of this question is how many quadrats are there? So simple question, and answer is also answer is 4 quadrats are there. Okay. Now second question. -1, 0 lies in which quadrant? See in the. So -1, 0 lies in which quadrant? So see in the options are on y-axis, in the fourth quadrant, in the second quadrant, or on the x-axis. So first we see the coordinate. Here x value is given and y value is 0. Okay. I already told you, if x value is given and y value is 0, then this point lies on x-axis. Clear? It may be on positive x-axis or negative x-axis, but it lies on x-axis. If this question is like 0, -1, so in this x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is -1, then this point lies on y-axis. Okay, so it's simple. Answer is -1, 0 lies on here. -1, 0 lies here. So the answer is on y-axis, no. In the fourth quadrant, no. अगर यहाँ कहीं होता, then we say that in the first, second, third, fourth quadrant. No. And the correct answer is option number 4, that is on x-axis. If this question is like -4, 3 lies in which quadrant? Okay, then one by one you find out x value is negative, y value is positive. And then remember, positive x value, negative x value, positive y x value, then it lies in second quadrant. So answer is second quadrant. Okay, next question. Find the ordinates. Yes, the word is ordinates. I explain abscissa and ordinate. So student, remember this thing. Abscissa means x value and ordinates means y value. The question is, yes, the question is find the ordinate is -3, -2. So and the given figure is here. Okay, so first we plot -3, 2. So move 1, 2, 3, -3 on the left side, and -2 downward, -2. Here we get a point -3, 2. So they ask find the ordinates in the -3, 2. So ordinates means y values. The y value is -2. So simple. The answer is we check -3? No. -2 is the ordinates. So we say that -2 is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. Now next question. Find the abscissa in -3, 2. Again, it's simple. -3, 2. Same question. In this question, they ask ordinates, and in this question, they ask -3, -2. That is, abscissa is, yes, abscissa is, check. Which one is the x coordinate? -3 is the x coordinate. So wrong. This one is wrong. Wrong. And the correct answer is -3. Okay. So in this way, we plot the ordered pair and also find the values, that is abscissa or ordinate. Abscissa is called as a x coordinate and the y coordinate is called as a ordinates. Okay. So the topic is very simple. Nothing is too difficult. First you clear your basic. Okay. And then easily you solve it. Okay. Thank you. If you have any doubts related to that topic, students, you ask. Okay. Yes, Roshan Yadav. Roshan Yadav.
Hello, miss. I have not doubt.
Then why are you raising hand, beta?
मिस सो सॉरी मिस, मैंने अगले लेक्चर में रखा था, वो सर से पूछे थे।
Okay, okay. निधि प्रजापति.
टीचर
Yes.
टीचर
ये
Yes,
10th की बेसिक्स है ना, 10 के चैप्टर नहीं है ना?
10th में है इसका चैप्टर बेटा. चैप्टर है आपका चैप्टर नंबर 5 कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री. ठीक है. तो अभी हम बेसिक डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, तो ये सारे बेसिक पार्ट है. ठीक है. तो इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे आपको. ओके.
ओके टीचर, थैंक यू।
Teacher, I could not understand question number 4 and question number 5.
ओके ओके. सी, ये हमने एक ड्रॉ किया. व्हेन वी ड्रॉ horizontal line is called as the x-axis and vertical line is called as a y-axis, and this one is the origin. Okay. So when we move towards the right of the origin, that is positive axis, right? And on the left side, negative. Same on y-axis, this one is positive and this one is negative. So in third slide, I told you abscissa means होता है x coordinate, right? X coordinate को abscissa कहते हैं and y coordinate को ordinates कहते हैं. So in question number 4 and 5, they ask -3, -2. Okay, they ask -3, -2. So which is the abscissa and which one is the ordinate? So this is the x value. ये आपकी x value है और ये आपकी y value. So x value को हम लोग कहते हैं abscissa. Okay students, and y value को हम बोलते हैं ordinates. Now clear? Clear?
Yes, teacher. And question number 5.
In same. See, if you have point -4, 2. So in question number 4, they ask which one is the ordinate. Ordinate means y value. Question number 4 में पूछा था ordinate किसे कहते हैं. So ordinate कौन सा इसमें से? Yes, 2. Okay. And abscissa कौन सा है?
4. -4.
Yes. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में ऑर्डिनेट्स पूछा था और क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में एब्सिसा पूछा था, राइट? तो 4 और 5 में एब्सिसा एंड ऑर्डिनेट ही पूछे थे. क्लियर नाउ?
Yes, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
ओके. Yes. Aditya and Diksha. Aditya and Diksha, unmute yourself and ask your doubt. So students, this again, we revise one thing here. It's simple, okay? You remember only these things, how to plot a points on a grid. Wait a minute. Okay, so these are the coordinates. See, in the y coordinate of the point on the coordinate plane is called as ordinate, and abscissum is x coordinate. So -3, -2. So -3 हमारा abscissa है and -2 is the ordinate. Okay, so this chapter is simple. Yes, Shivam Pandey. पूछो बेटा, आपका डाउट पूछिए. So students, this chapter इस year 10th में आपका चैप्टर नंबर 5 में कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में इससे रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स रहेंगे आपके. ओके, चैप्टर नेम इज कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री. ओके, तो उसके अंदर में आपको प्लॉट करना है ग्राफ, इसलिए हमने ये बेसिक पार्ट है आज स्टडी किया था. ओके, एंड फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल स्टार्ट योर फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ ज्योमेट्री, दैट इज सिमिलैरिटी. ओके, सो योर बेसिक पोर्शन इज फिनिश. And in next lecture we start chapter number 1st. Okay, so we discuss the syllabus, how many chapters are there, okay, which one is the important chapter. We discuss all these things and then we start our first chapter. Okay, anybody having any doubt, please ask your doubt. Hello ma'am.
No one is raising hand.
Oh, yes ma'am, no one is raising.
Okay, so students, if you're having any doubts, raise your hands. No problem. Still we have 2 minutes, but we can find out. Hello, Sujata ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, we can wind up, I think.
Okay ma'am, okay, thank you ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much. Tade ma'am, you've joined?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.